Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the connector and tools so you don't fumble mid-solder. Strip 5 to 7 mm of the jacket, separate shield/drain and the 4 signal conductors, then tin each exposed strand with a small amount of solder. That helps the wire accept the pad. Anchor the plug in a vise to keep everything steady. Once done, apply a little flux to connector pads and tinned wires to promote flow and prevent cold joints before you make the first contact. You'll solder the easiest joints first to stabilize the assembly. Tack the shield and drain to ground pads so the plug won't move. Then heat each pad and press the tinned conductor in place, feeding solder until you see a shiny fillet. That indicates good wetting. Move on to V-bus, CC, then the high-speed pairs, keeping spacing because bridges kill USB-C negotiation. Make sure joints are compact, about 1 to 2 millimeters, and trim stray strands. Then inspect under magnification to verify continuity and no shorts. You finish by cleaning flux residue and applying heat shrink or a small dab of epoxy to relieve strain. Once cooled, use a multimeter to check continuity. Verify each data pair and V-bus and confirm no short between V-bus and ground or CC pins. That prevents damage to attached devices. If you find a problem, reheat the suspect joint, add flux, and wick away excess solder with braid, then retin and retest. This methodical check ensures reliable power and high-speed signaling before you reconnect the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.